Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create your own mockup for your artwork within Freepik Spaces. So first we're going to click in image generator once you are in the homepage, and then it's going to give us a image generator box. So you're going to select nano banana model because we want to edit with our reference image that we will upload after. And also you want to change the aspect ratio to, then you're going to right click and select media to upload your own photograph or scan of your artwork. And then when it's uploaded, we're going to connect the nodes. So I'm just going to move it around a little bit first. I like to have my reference on the left and then my image on the right. I mean, my box generator on the right. And on that little icon that says image, you're going to connect it to reference. Now it's time to write the prompt. So you can just copy this prompt directly. I'm going to pin it in the comments so you can just copy and paste really easily. And you can just change whichever words you want, style, colors, just to adapt it to whichever thing you may need, and click run. So now we wait a few seconds and here it is. So as you can see, it's respecting what I asked for, the living room, the minimal decoration, and like the colors, everything. So just in case I want to test out the change of some of the words of the prompt, so you can see how you can change the result by just changing some of the words. So let's go ahead and change some of them. And again, you can copy the exact same prompt or adapt it to your own needs. So I want some earth tones in the space, emerald green sofa, and just a little bit more of a warmer space. So I'm just going to go ahead and click create or run. And I like that Freepik shows you like how much time is left for your new generation. So it's just a few seconds. We're almost there. And as you can see now, we have the result with the emerald green sofa, like the warmer tones, the warmer feeling of the living room. Even the frame has changed. And I didn't specify the color or the material of the frame, but as long as you want something more specific, you can actually say it on your prompt. I want a metal frame, I want a wood frame, this type or this type of color. So all of that, you can be very as specific as you want. So yeah, I hope you like this tutorial and I hope it's obvious for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.